Happy Sundays, everybody. Welcome to my musicians, vocalists, music enthusiasts. I love music. You love music. So let's go. Right, so today I want to share quickly how I go about learning a song, especially in the church environment. Now, everybody's process is different. So this way, or my way, is not the way, but a way, right? So first, you want to establish the key of the song, right? Then the progression of the song, and then the nuances of the song, whether it be lines or whatever is in the arrangement of the song, right? So let's go. Right. So the key of the song is G. Right? It starts on the 4, which is C major. Then it goes to the 5, which is D major. Then it goes to the 3, but it's not the minor 3. It's now a major 3. Then it goes to the 6, which is E minor. Then back to the 4. To the 5, and then back to the 6. Right? So we have established the key, which is G, and now we know the progression. So we know the progression: 4, 5, 3 major, 6, 4, 5, 6. Right? So in this part, they're climaxing, and they're about to add a little arrangement to that same part. Listen. Right. So what did they do? So it was on the 4. Yahweh, Rapha. But instead of playing the 5 chord, what they did was align on that particular chord. So Yahweh, da da, Elohim. This time they went to the 2. Right? So, just to recap, we went to the 4, Yahweh, Rapha, Elohim, Shad, Jireh, Adonai, will manifest himself. Right. So it went from 4, 5, 3 major, 6, 4, 5, 6. And then when they started intensifying the music and intensifying the moment, they added something on the 5, which was the line. All these things are important, right? When you're listening to a song to learn it, you want to learn the intricacies of the song. You don't want to, for lack of a better word, do what you want. If you're learning a song, learn it.
Cool. No doubt.
So when you are learning a song, learn it well. Pay attention to all the details and all the nuances of the song, and try as best as you can to replicate what you heard. Remember, we are serving as musicians. This is not your time to say, let me show you what I can do. No, we are serving as musicians. Play the song. Am I saying that as a musician we can be creative? No, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is we want to play at least 90 to 95% of the recording and add our flavor, our personality to that. We're not trying to add the recording to our personality. Remember, it's not about us. We are serving the worship leader. But Marvan, can't we remix the song? Of course you can. But a remix of a song shouldn't be the substitute of not learning a song in its original format.